Okay, so I made a video earlier on using a DIY power pack to safely charge the Ecoflow, in effect expanding the capacity of the Ecoflow River. This is 576 watts, so there's another 240 watts here, so you're increasing the capacity. So a viewer had asked me if I can plug this into the AC outlet of the Ecoflow, and then on this end, the input, plug it into the wall outlet, and thereby charging the Ecoflow, and then the Ecoflow would in turn charge the power pack. So that was something that I thought you can probably do, but I wasn't 100% sure. So this is what I'm doing now. I am charging the power pack with a balance charger that is plugged into the AC outlet of the Ecoflow, and then on this end over here, I'm gonna plug it into my wall outlet. This is AC that is inverted. This is DC inverted into AC. This is my solar setup here. So I'm going to press the button to charge the battery pack. Okay, so 12.3 volt is starting to charge now. So right now there's 137 watts charging the Ecoflow, and about 4 or 5 watts going to the balance charger to charge this. So yeah, only 100 milliamp. It's not a whole lot because this pack is let's see here, 12.2 volt already. So 12.3 volt will be fully charged. So you can see I am charging the Ecoflow, and the Ecoflow is charging this power pack. So I don't have to charge this separately. So that was the question. And then of course all this is powered my solar lithium ion batteries. I have like 7 of these packs. So at any time I can take 1 or 2 and plug it into my Ecoflow to extend the capacity. So depending on how much battery power you need, you can take this and then a couple of these extra pack. You can charge this separately, or you can charge them together with the Ecoflow. So that was the question, and I wasn't sure, and now you can see that it's actually doing just that. And as shown in my video, the original video, when I did use this to power the Ecoflow or to charge it, it's better probably to limit the charge to 8 amps so you don't stress your power pack, right? So that would be the way to do it. There's the input here, and you can set the app on your phone to limit the charge to 8 amps. So that way you don't stress this Ecoflow, and you don't stress the power pack. All right, so thanks for watching.